Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Inktank 319 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up. Scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download the printer driver. Go to the YouTube description. In a description, I give two links. First is the Google Drive link. Here is the Google Drive link, and here we find the Mega link. Here we find 64-bit link and 32-bit link. If your machine is 64-bit, go to the Mega 64-bit link or the Google Drive link. Same with the 32-bit link. If your machine is 32-bit, go to the Google Drive link or the Mega link. My machine is 64-bit. I go to the Google Drive link or Mega link. I click on the Mega link, and Mega link is open in my web browser. After that, here we find our Mega link website, and here at the bottom we find download option. Go to the download and click on the standard download. Click on standard download, and download is started on our website first. Here we find download is started, and it's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to download to complete on our website on our web browser. And after that, it started on our PC or laptop. Here we find it started and it's almost complete. It's completed now. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file. And this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on OK. Now extract process is started. It's unzipping files on our PC or laptop. It's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds. Here we find newly created folder or extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. And here we find our drivers, and we are going to install these drivers. That is very easy. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanner, type printers and scanners, and click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds and new options are available at this point. Okay, add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new options are pop up on your screen. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Check this. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here. In an existing port, select .4_001 or HP printer device HP. If you find any HP port, then select that. If you not find any HP port, then next option is USB. Select any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port and click on the next. Wait for a few seconds and click on have a disk. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contains same driver. Select any file and click on the open. Click on OK. Here we find 310 series. It is a series printer. In this series printer, our HP Inktank 319 is also included. Select PCL3 or series. I select series and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give HP Inktank 319. You can free to give any name that you like and click on the next. It's install our printer in a less than few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds. After that, here we find two options. If you want to share in a network, then last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find HP Inktank 319, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.